Nike was about to make the biggest mistake in sports history. A decision that could have destroyed the company forever. They almost said NO to a rookie no one believed in, and if one meeting had gone differently, history would look completely different. They almost said no to a rookie no one believed in, and if one meeting had gone differently, at the time, Nike wasn't even the top brand in basketball. Adidas and Converse ruled the game. Nike had one chance to survive the basketball market. Then came a decision that shocked everyone.
Nike decided to gamble everything on one player.
A rookie no one had heard of was about to change basketball forever. They called him the kid who could fly. But the deal almost never happened. Nike offered $250,000 per year. He wanted the brand everyone loved. They turned him down. Nike risked losing everything. Then something changed everything. The world wasn't ready for what came next. Air Jordans dropped and instantly sold out. Nike went from struggling to unstoppable. Every release became a cultural event. Nike turned a $250 million risk into a billion-dollar empire. He didn't just play the game. He built an empire. And Nike changed sports marketing forever. One mistake became their greatest win. But what if they had said NO? One bold decision created billions. So here's the question. If you were Nike's CEO back then, would you have taken the risk? Tell me in the comments. If you want more stories like this, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more from Money and Beyond.